Okay guys, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are a new subscriber, or you know you are already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you very much. Okay, I really appreciate. So let's hop into today's business. Today I'll be sharing with you a powerful strategy as usual. You know, today we'll be talking about synthetic indices, the step index. Okay, this strategy was based on this step index, yeah, and on the 15 minutes time frame. You can also test it in the higher time frame, but I prefer it more on the 15-minute time frame. And as a scalper that I am, it gives me more room to take more trades. So we have the combination of three three different indicators. So at the main chart we have alligator the alligator. Then on the indicator window 1 we have the RSI and the moving average, while on the indicator window 3 below, this one right here, I'm coming, let me show you this one right here. Okay, this one, yeah, this one, that's the RSI and Ishimoku. So how does this particular strategy works? This is how it works, guys. First of all, we have 3 confirmations before entering into any trade. Okay, so what you have to look out for in this 15-minute time frame is a breakout. Okay, a breakout from this particular alligator right here, this one. Okay, just like this breakout right here. Okay, that's what you have to look out for. You can see how the market trends up. You can see how it trends up. Okay guys, you can see how it trends up. You can see it. So that's what you need to look out for. After that breakout, then below here, right here, because that one is the first confirmation, then your second confirmation will be on the RSI and the moving average, which is right here. Okay, right there. So and the third one is below, right here. Okay, you can see. So before taking any trade, first of all, look out if there is a breakout in the main chart from your alligator, if the candle closes above it. Okay, then secondly, on your RSI below, this red line, this one, this is what I'm talking about, this particular red line here, this one, make sure it is touching the level 10. Okay, just like this one now, this one is touching the level 10. Okay, make sure it is touching the level 10 right here. Make sure it is touching the level 10 right here. Okay guys, so after that one, then thirdly, make sure that this one below, the RSI and Ishimoku, is touching the 20 level. Okay, 20 level right here, as you can see, 20 level right here. Okay, so that's the 3 confirmation before entering into any trade, and that is for a buy. So when if you place a buy here, if you place a buy at this particular place right here, this is what I'm saying, if you place a buy at this particular place here, then ride it up. Okay, ride it up, ride it up. You can see how the market spikes up. You can see. So this particular strategy is working. Okay, it's working. It's just for you to focus on one. Okay, just focus on any one. Out of all my videos, you can pick any strategy of your choice, then start using it. As simple as that. So for a sell, okay, for a sell, this is a perfect example of a sell. Okay, this is a perfect example of a sell. You can see right here. Let me show you what I'm saying. You can see right here, this one right here. You can see how the market sold massively downwards, sold. Okay, so what was the confirmation right here? First of all, at this place we have the breakouts. Okay, they have the breakout here. First we have the breakout here, okay. Then secondly, we have it touching the level 90 of this RSI, this moving average touching the RSI level 90 right here. You can see where I circled. That's the second confirmation. Then lastly, this particular one, which is the Ishimoku touching level 80 of the RSI. Okay, so that's how to use this particular strategy. You can see many setups right here. You can see the setups. Okay guys, so you can use any strategy that suits you, okay, out of all my videos, and they are really profitable. It's just for you to focus on one. Stop hopping from one strategy to another strategy. Okay guys, so if you really implement everything I said here, it will be beneficial to you. So please subscribe, okay. And before I forget, let me share the settings of this strategy or this indicator with you guys. So if you want to apply the settings for this particular indicators, you have to click on this place. Look at where I'm pointing the arrow to. You have to click at this place, okay. So after clicking here like this, let me click on it. Okay, it will take you here. Then you click on main chart. Click on main chart. Okay guys, click on main chart right here to add your first alligator. This is your first indicator. This one, alligator. You click that place, this place. Then you will apply this first one, okay. So for the alligator, these are the settings for the alligator. Just period 13, just shift 8, teeth period 8, teeth shift 5, lips period 5, lips shift 3, method smooth, apply to medium price. You can see it right here guys. So as you can see on my screen, if you set yours like this, you won't have any problem. Then you actually click on save so that it will save. Then on the indicator window 1, we have the relative strength index. Let me click on it. Yes, and here are the parameters. Period 1, apply to close. We have the level 10 and level 90, okay, all time frame. Then the style, make the color to be white if your screen is white, okay, and leave it like that. So if your screen is black, then put it to black color, I mean the style. Then you click on save. Then the second one on the indicator window 1 is the moving average. Let me click on it. Now on the moving average on indicator window 1, we have the parameters of period 10, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to close. Then the levels none, don't put any level, okay. Then you can choose any color of your choice. Then you click on save. Then on your indicator window 2, this one right here, your indicator window 2 here. So here you have to click on this first one. We have the relative strength index. Period 1, apply to close. We have the level 20 and level 80, all time frame, and still choose white color if your screen is white. I repeat, choose white if your screen is white. Then if your screen is black, please kindly choose black. Then you click on save. I believe you can see what I'm doing. Please don't make any mistakes. Set it according to how I set my own. You won't have any problem. Then lastly, we have the Ishimoku Kinyo hue. Here, let me click on it. Then the parameters goes by Tenkan Sen 9, Kijun Sen 9, Senko Span B 9. Then leave this place right here. Leave it on field, okay? Don't click on it. Leave it like that. Then you choose the colors. For Tenkan Sen, you can choose color red, okay? And for Kijun Sen, you can choose gold color, okay. Then the rest, leave them to be white. Up Kumo, down Kumo, and Shiku span, leave them to be white. Okay, so that's all for this. Then you click on save. So that's the settings for this particular strategy. Okay guys, that's the settings. So if you want to use particular strategy, you can backtest it before using it. Okay guys, I always advise you to backtest before using this strategy. Okay, so backtest and see the results for yourself. If it's worth it, then you can actually put it on a live trade. But I guarantee you that yes, with this strategy you will make a lot of money from forex. Okay, you will make a lot of money from the market. So guys, that's that for that. See you on my next video. Thanks.